So this model used to never have opening stop signs, now it does. Like how they put that feature down in the back door and it used to never open. Look, see? Now it does actually. And it's a little bit longer. It used to be very short, now it's long. See how it's like longer now? And here's the door. Oh, there you go. That's like more metal. The bus is wider and bigger. They did a lot of changes to it. And here's the hood. The hood's a little different, but the top looks the same. And the wheels are a little bit bigger. And the back's kind of the same, except just that door. I actually like what they did. A lot of new features to it. Just the only thing that they should have changed is like, I don't like how they have the bluebird lights on the back. I mean on the front, I like how it's bluebird, but the back doesn't. I don't like how it's like black lights on the back and yellow on the front. That's what I don't like. They should have did that feature, but everything else about it is pretty good. The top looks like a bluebird, but like it's not really curved on the back like a normal bluebird would look like. But other than that, it's perfect. The window wipers are the same. The windows are they're a little bit bigger. And that one got even bigger. That was one thing that never existed. And the bumper used to be like metal, and now it's like a plastic. And it has the same number, 288. And here's the inside. I don't know if you can see. I'll give you a little tour in the inside if I can. And those are the tan seats. And here's the front. Oh. See if I can see through the front. Yep, here's what it looks like on the inside from the front view. Alright, that's it.